Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will be teaching you how to do multiplication using abacus tool. Before learning multiplication, you have to know the rules for the multiplication. The simple rule to remember in the multiplication is that the number of rods to be used in our calculation will always be equal to the number of digits in the equation. Our equation here is 34 into 7. Right, 34 is the multiplicand and 7 here is the multiplier. We are going to do multiplication of 2 digit multiplicand with 1 digit multiplier, right. Here the number of rods to be used is 3 because the number of digits in our equation is 3, that is 3, 4 and 7. Here we will be using 3 rods which are 1's rod, 10's rod and 100's rod. So, while multiplying 2 digit multiplicand with 1 digit multiplier, we have to follow 2 steps. Step 1 is the 10th digit of the equation will be multiplied with the multiplier and its product will be placed in the 100's rod and 10's rod. Okay. First we have to do 3 into 7, right. 3 into 7 is 21. We have to place 21 at 100's rod and 10's rod. So, 21. Step number 2, the unit digit of the equation which is here 4 will be multiplied with multiplier 7 and its product will be placed on the tens and the unit rod. So, 4 into 7 is 28. We will be placing 28 at 10's rod and unit rod. So, 28, 2 at 10's rod and 8 at 1's rod, right. So, our product is 238. Here one thing needs to be remembered that if the product of any multiplication comes in single digit, you have to consider it as the double digit by putting a 0 on left of it. For an example, here I have taken 24 into 3. If we multiply 2 into 3, we get 6, right? But you have to consider it as the 0 6. So, how to represent 6 on the abacus? 0 at the 100's rod and 6 at the 10's rod. Okay, you have to consider it as double digit number by putting a 0 on left of it, right. So, or else your product will be wrong. Next example is 55 into 6. As I explained in the rules for the multiplication, the number of rods to be used in our calculation will always be equal to the number of digits in the equation. In this equation, the number of digits are 3. So, we have to take 3 rods here, unit rod, 10's rod and 100's rod. So, step 1, the 10th place digit of the equation will be multiplied with the multiplier. So, 10th place digit here is 5 will be multiplied with the multiplier 6. So, 5 into 6 is 30. So, we have to put 30 at 100's place and 10's place. So, 3 0 30. Then step 2, we have to multiply the 1's place digit with the multiplier 6. So, 5 into 6 is 30. We have to put 30 at 10's rod and unit rod. So, 3 at 10's rod and 0 at 1's rod. So, the product here is 330. Next example is 98 into 9. So, here the 10th place digit is 9. So, 9 will be multiplied with the multiplier 9. 9 into 9 is 81. We have to place 81 at 100's rod and 10's rod. So, 80 at 100's rod and 1 at 10's rod. In step 2, we have to multiply 8 by 9. 8 into 9 is 72. So, 70 at 10's rod and 2 1 rod. The product here is 882. I think this video will be helpful in understanding of multiplication of 2-digit multiplicand with 1-digit multiplier. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.